Part 4, Police Reform Playlist. 911 Dispatch. You need to set up a meeting with the head of 911 Dispatch. These are the following questions that you need to ask. How many people of color work for your dispatch team? How many people of color are in management? Do your dispatchers receive implicit bias training and diversity training? What processes do your dispatchers have in place to protect Black people from racist callers? What are the protocols when a racist white person calls the police on a Black person for existing in Black skin? Really push them on this, because the dispatchers will say, well, we have to send them or we don't have to send them. The truth is, there are actual protocols for 911 dispatch. Those protocols were developed in Salt Lake City, Utah, and I met with the head of 911 dispatch who told me that 911 dispatch does not and will not send police officers out to every call. Do not believe anyone who tells you that anyone who calls 911, an officer has to be sent out, because that is a lie. Encourage the head of your dispatch center to put protocols in place that protect us from white racist callers. And also try to get data from them and encourage data collection. What does that mean? That means when you ask the head of 911 dispatch, how many calls were brought in about suspicious Black people this year, suspicious brown people this year? How many officers were sent out for suspicious persons calls? They need to have that data. And if they don't have that data, they need to begin collecting that data. And there will be more videos on data collection. They need to instruct dispatchers to instruct the caller that 911 is to be used in case of emergency, and to define emergency as in someone's life or limb is in danger. You cannot call and use 911 dispatch to weaponize it and weaponize the police against Black and brown people. And 911 dispatch must have policies in place that protect the Black and brown community, the Muslim community, the LGBTQIA community from racist, Islamophobic, transphobic, homophobic callers who would attempt to weaponize the police against marginalized people. This article was written about my work with 911 dispatch. It's from Color Lines. You can Google it to find it.